Superposition in electrical circuits.
The superposition principle states, for all linear systems, that the net response caused by two or more stimuli is the sum of the responses that would be caused by each of the stimulus individually.
Commonly used in the context of waves, simply summing the individual wave displacements to give the total output.
Similarly, in electric circuits, the superposition theorem says the current through or voltage across any element of a network is equal to the algebraic sum of the currents or voltages produced independently by each source.
When used effectively, the superposition theorem can make solving complex electrical circuits a swish.
Superposition theorem is applied using 5 steps. Firstly, select a single current or voltage source. Step 2. Remove any other sources, replacing any voltage sources with short circuits, replacing any current sources with open circuits. Step 3. Find voltages and currents caused by the chosen source. Step 4. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for all sources in the circuit. Step 5. Add the voltages and currents produced from each source, noting the polarities and directions of the individual voltages and currents respectively. This sum gives the current through or voltage across the desired circuit element.
Now, we will go through an example of how these steps are applied in practice. The basic DC circuit we are investigating here has a 12 volt voltage source, a 4 amp current source, and two 2 ohm resistors. We are asked to find the current through the resistor R2. First, we'll remove the current source, replacing it with a short circuit. Now, as we are left with a voltage source and 2 resistors in series, we can simply use Ohm's law to calculate the current through R2 to be 3 amps. This time, replacing the voltage source with a short circuit, we can employ the current divider rule to determine the current in R2 to be 2 amps. Finally, summing these two currents gives the total current through R2 to be 5 amps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've learned a little bit about superposition theorem and how it's applied to electrical circuits.